We are located inside Linea Light Group's production facility with a footprint of approximately 20,000 square meters, where all the phases of our lighting system production take place: design, prototyping, storage, assembly, and shipping. As manufacturers, we are driven toward a single goal: to provide the end user with a product featuring quality materials and high performance. This standard is achievable only through complete control over all production phases, considering that the more static ones, such as storage, have the same strategic importance as operational ones. Few people know, for example, that electronic components such as printed circuit boards and LEDs, which are in fact the heart of our lighting system, are sensitive to moisture. If present during assembly, in fact, it can damage the product, undermining its functionality and durability. Thus, the need arose to store these more delicate components in environments with controlled temperature and humidity, and hence the decision to install a Modula. The LED is kept in optimal conditions and in complete safety throughout the production phase, from storage to installation inside hermetically sealed lighting fixtures. Modula was ideally placed at the start of the production chain between the two departments directly involved, namely material acceptance and assembly. This way, we can gain a twofold benefit by speeding up both the procedures for storing components that have just been checked by acceptance and for picking materials to be delivered to assembly. The Modula has 80 trays, 4 meters wide and 11 meters tall. About half of the total capacity is currently in use, which corresponds to about 1,000 part numbers. Modula is directly connected to our management system, which coordinates workflows and automatically subdivides component picking lists according to their location. As a result, we have significantly reduced picking times. In traditional systems, the operator had to manually pick each component from the shelf, remove the packaging, and put back on the shelf what was left. Now, the operator just has to type the component code into the monitor located outside the VLM and wait for it in the picking bay station.